Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is 11:15, September 17th. This is Jacob of Ephraim. We are here at Space Weather Prediction Center. We actually have a little activity going on. Here we go. On the 17th, you can see we've got a very solid C-class flare. And then you got this dip that goes below. Doesn't make sense, but whatever. Sure. Okay, George. Then of course we got, G2 storms. Well, we also got some extra stuff with it too. I've already checked down here at our absorption rate, and it's actually doing all right for right now. Didn't get to it earlier, and I can't really change the clock. That you just get what they give you. This one actually does show us taking a hit right here. Oh, it wants to load. It was already loaded. Okay, and here we are. It goes from the 14th, and now we're at the 15th. So now you can see it coming. It's going to hit us right about. Oh, and we're getting hit 17th today. When we got hit, we actually did absorb quite a bit, and it looks like it trailed on to the 18th. Fun times there, right? Yeehaw! I'm actually going to back this thing up one, and I'm going to let you take a look at what we actually have here. Right here. Yeah, buddy. Fun times. Real fun. I hope everybody had their tinfoil hats on today. So let's go right there. Oh, come on. Got this bloody Wanda. Oh yeah, definitely had a good hit there. That's fun. Now we're going to go over here to the SDO dashboard. Oh, what are you doing? Psh, turd. What in the world is this thing doing? This thing is acting silly. Thank you. Now let's see what we got going on here. We're over here at my favorite one here with the mixed one. Watch right around here. It goes whoosh, and then over here back she fires off. So that whoosh, that was plasma coming at us. And that was a plasma, and that was a C-class flare. And then of course you saw the rest of that plasma. It's going off the other side, but it's coming around the bend. Coming around the bend. All right, and here we go. Now if you watch right in here, you're going to actually see some filament lift off. Right over here, it's going to go show. Oh, there it goes. See? She lifted off right there, and then this thing starts popping. Oh, there it goes again. And then she's going, man, that's a lot coming at us. Good times. Whoa, that's going to wind up making a connection here before too long. 304. Thanks to light. And they are really stingy on this one. They're only giving us 5 seconds. Look at that. 5. That's ridiculous. Are you serious? And it's from the 16th, and when is it stopping? It's just the 16th. It doesn't even show the 17th. What a bunch of codfish. Like, literally, are you serious right now? Come on. All right, here we are with one of my favorites. I'm going to slow her down. Playback set. This is how we set it right here. 0.25. We'll slow her down, and hopefully we'll actually get something out of it, huh? Might even see a couple little friends. Oh, did you see them right there? There was one that was right there. Zip. Keep an eye out for some friends. Let's see what we got. Now we should be there. It is. I'm saying we should be seeing some popping here, and then we should actually be seeing some lift off here in just a little bit. Anybody seen any friends yet? I don't see no friends. Friends, hello, where you at? Oh, that must have been one. Ooh, did you see that? That was a nice flare. That was that C flare? All right. You know what? Awkward enough. I don't see any little friends. Don't see any of my little buddies. What is going on here? What the fragnog? I don't see a single one. Very interesting, folks. For all of you who are into cryptocurrency, got a little surprise for you. A little surprise. Most of y'all that know anything about Q and the stuff going on in the backdrop, back scenes, you guys have all heard of Rise of the Phoenix, right? Well, that's why I brought us here. Look at this. Here's a wing. Here's his neck, his head, his beak, his eye. Here's the other wing, like that, going up. And there's his body. There's his feet. Here's his tail. Here's his body. Here's the Phoenix, folks. Rise of the Phoenix. they tell us everywhere. They've been telling us about stuff in movies, commercials, stuff going on the sun. You just got to know when to look for it. I would take this sign right here. Stuff's fixing to happen fast. Everybody better tighten up your bootstraps and pull up your big boy or big girl pants, because I have a feeling things are about to get serious. Actually, I forgot to actually hit play. Sorry, I got a little excited showing you all that. But yeah, we'll see the little lift off here. Look at that, whoosh, that's some bam. Oh man, that was a hard one. That thing popped hard. Still shooting out here. Fun times. But I know y'all can see it now, right? Right? Woo! All right, here we go at 171 angstroms. We'll see it lift off right around here. Whoosh, there she goes. Bam. Now, did you see when this thing actually went pop? It popped over here too? Let's hit play. Let's see that thing do that again. Man, look at all that nasty stuff. Ooh, look at that. What is that? Now watch, when it pops on the left side, it'll pop over here, watch. Oh, maybe not. Was I just seeing something? I could have swore I seen it. Oh, there went one. Okay, that's what it was. I know I had seen something. But yeah, you can almost still see the Phoenix there. Yep, gorgeous. Man, look at that. Look at this bright area. Oh, that could be ugly. Let's go check out some more stuff. All right, folks, here we are at the European Space Agency. And you can tell right here, we got hit with plasma on the 14th. And this is the 17th. Well, technically it'd be the 18th. So we're pretty much right here, because this is UTC time. Okay, Universal, I don't even remember. It's Universal time, basically. So the 18th being right here, I believe this is actually where we're getting hit right now. Right. Boom. Yeah, actually, that's perfect. So good thing we're on the dark side of the sun, huh? Ha ha. Sorry about that, everybody. Right, here we are at Soho Movie Theater. soho.nascom.nasa.gov/data/theater/. This is C2, and I've got to slow it down to 5 so we can actually kind of watch the explosion. I'll actually speed it up a little bit. We do have some good pictures of some friends. There's not a lot, but there is a few. But we're doing this mostly to see this bad boy. This one here pop out, and it is ugly. I'll actually stop it right as she starts to get there. And of course, you see all the little trails coming out from. Whoop! There we go. Sorry about that. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. That is perfectly round, like a planet or sun or something. Weird. It's like these guys are bugging out. They're like, gotta go. Wow. Oh, look. There's one there and one there. What is happening up there? Crazy. So yeah, and of course you see all the streaks, which is, you know, I would think they call it a warp signature trail, but I don't think it's warp. I think it's pulse engine. I believe our boys are the ones that leave those streaks with those little boom, boom, boom. I think that's us. I really think that those are our boys. Space Force, folks. And it's actually produced by the Aurora. That is our plane, if you will, or spacecraft, which apparently it is. And then of course we'll be seeing the pop here in just a minute. There we go. Speed it up a little bit. Always keep an eye on the time, because there's quite a bit that they take out. Whoa, there it was. Nice. Coming around the bend at us. That's going to be coming this way. I mean, look how bright it is over here. We got one there, one there, one there. Yeah. Tighten up your poopers, folks. We are at spaceweather.gmu.edu seeds, and we're going to have a little fun with this one. We're actually going to see some our sun giving birth, or maybe just suns or planets pushing off. I already see one here. I see one here. I see one here. I see one here. Of course, one's getting hit right here. I see one here. I see one here. Let's go ahead and go forward here. Ooh. Oh yeah. I was right. One there, one there, one there. Definitely one there. Might even be one there. Let's keep going, shall we? Now, this is from the 16th. It's been a little bit since I've been on, folks. I apologize. Yeah. Look at all that. If you come here and you kind of do this, just start actually looking at the individual frames and just look for perfectly round objects, like this. That's perfectly round. This perfectly round. This is perfectly round. I mean, this is static noise, but I mean, it's perfectly round. And this, I like to see when they're like that together. Oh, beautiful, beautimous. Oh, look at that, coming out there, coming at you. Whoa, did you see that? Right there. How you doing? Thanks for playing. Oh, look, there's another one. How you like that? Oh, loving it. Mickey D's, baby, Mickey D's. I'm loving it. Everybody watching? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Did you see that? Oh, look at that. A bunch of them there on the right side. A whole cluster of them. Holy cow. What is going on up at our sun, folks? I mean, is she giving birth? Look at that. There's another one. You see it? Top right. Right there. Zip. Goodness. Like, seriously? Ooh. How you doing? How you doing? Coming out. Oh yeah. Is our sun actually giving birth? Like, is that something? Oh, look at that. 1, 2. How, I mean, is it giving birth? I don't know. Is our sun a portal? You know what I mean? Is it a portal? I don't know. I mean, it's got to make you wonder. Let's go on to the 17th. Let's try and wrap this up here. Oh, shit. Hold on. Oh, I'm sorry. I cussed. Okay, this is for the 17th. I'm actually on the 5th day. Or the 5th slide, should I say. There's one here. There's one here. There's one here. Let's keep going. Oh, see that? Ha ha. They're putting little blocks in it. Blocks in it. I see you. You ain't fooling me. Ho ho ho! Look at that. Gorgeous. How can you get any better than that? I love this, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. How can you get any better? Like, does it get better than this? I don't know. I mean, watching stuff going on in the sun, and the funniest thing is, it's like some people that I know, family, friends, I send them to my channel, like, go look at my channel, go check it out, go watch, go. Oh man, that's kind of crazy. I'm like, what are you talking about? Oh, you're kind of crazy. Here's 1, 2, 3. And then those that actually do, they go, holy crap, I seen it. Like right here. And it's funny because, like, I can actually show people, like, cause I kid you not, I'll have my computer out sometimes, and I'll be showing people. I'll be like, hey man, check this out. And they're looking at it, and they're like, what the crap is that? And I'm like, I don't know. Is that a planet? I don't know. Maybe. Is it a sun? Something. I know. What's going on? I mean, I can literally bring my computer anywhere and let somebody look at it while I'm doing it with you guys. And people are astonished because they have no idea about this. And that's why I do this. Education. People really need to know. I mean, would you say that the sun is giving birth? I don't know. But either way, what is it doing? What are those things? You know? I mean, the heck is that? There's 1, 2, 3. What is that? Heck if I know. Look at that. There's more. So everybody, yeah, this is getting interesting, but it's all right. Everything's gonna be okay. This is all part of the plan, if you will. We're all gonna be okay, but just pay attention. Make sure that you guys have food and water, because eventually we're gonna wind up losing power. It could be for weeks on end, honestly. I mean, so make sure you got plenty of food and water. All right, and toilet paper. But just don't be that a-hole that goes and stinking buys all the freaking toilet paper. Like, seriously, you only got one butt. All right, everybody be good. Stay safe. Love everybody. Good night.